Hello viewers, today I was telling about how to use Instagram without an account. For that, we need a Instagram link. For that, I was taking a link from Instagram account. I was sharing this, and I was sharing this from to WhatsApp or any messages. I was clicking on my WhatsApp and sending this to some my friends. Like this, I was sending it to him. After that, I was coming back and I was deleting my Instagram account. So I need to show your exact results further. So I was deleting my Instagram account. After that, I was going to um, WhatsApp. I was clicking on here. So here we need to click on uh, this Instagram link. I was clicking on Instagram link. So wait for a few seconds. It was browsing. Like this, you can use Instagram account with a link. Did you have in WhatsApp group or Facebook messages? Like this, you can use Instagram, but you cannot follow. If you follow or like another account means you need to make an account. Like this, you can use Instagram account. Thank you.